Hello viewers, this is Evelyn of Levabuhay. Welcome again to my Information TV. Today I will be talking about the lemongrass. Are you somebody who likes to cook food that you need to use lemongrass? A lot of people, not only people in Asia or Asian countries, love to always have lemongrass on their soups, vegetable menu, whatever recipe they want to make. These are very good ingredient, and to have it fresh is the best. But actually here in Sweden, and I know some of other countries which is outside Asia, these are not so cheap. In the Philippines, they are growing anywhere. I can remember around our place, outside our house, it's a lot of this growing, and it's kind of a big bush there growing, and our neighbors has a lot. And that I remember before, my neighbor who doesn't have this kind of plant, they even ask from us, and we just give it for free because they are just growing wildly. But actually here in Sweden and maybe some other countries who have the cold weather or who have winter, and you can never have this plant outside the whole year round, you have to buy it in grocery stores. But they are not cheap in grocery store. I mean, like one bundle is like 4 of this, but they are like that. This one had been growing already. What I did is that without the roots, they don't have roots when I bought them, of course. They are just like that length, and then I cut it in half, and then this half I just put it in the water like that. I have actually 3. I put it in the water like that, and then I leave it there for like almost a month already, and it's like this now. So this had been here for almost a month, and now the roots really develops like that. So it goes so fast, especially when you're doing it when it's getting warmer, and it's warm inside the house too, of course. So what I do now, I have this one, and as you see, it's actually a Tetra Pak. I don't know, but I just feel like it's so good of recycling things instead of just throwing them. Because besides, when I already plant them, I will already plant them in a big pot. I will be taking them out, and then before I throw this Tetra Pak of juice or something. So what I do is just I will plant the 3 of them, because anyway, when they will develop into, I will be planting all of these 3 in one big pot. And I hope that it will grow much, much bigger, because you can actually save them. You can even freeze them. So it's like that. All I do, I just put my camera like that so you will see. So all I do actually is just you put it down there, and that is 1. And then the other one, you also put it there. So just push a little bit. If you wonder why I'm not putting it immediately on a big pot, it's because I have a lot now of propagation of different plants that I need to put out. But sad to say that this month or this year, this is a cold April month. And I'm even thankful that at least it's just so cold at night. We have 10 degrees Celsius at daytime. But at night we can have, 1 degree or 0 degree. But I have seen or heard that in other countries, they even have snow on an April, which is very unusual. So that is the reason why I have to, when I do propagation, it's one tip that I usually make or give is that you plant them in small pots. And it's because you will save soil, you will save the time or effort in watering them. Because if you immediately put them in a big pot, it means you have to be watering them too, a lot of water. And it's very impractical. So a Tetra Pak, I just cut it on the middle, and of course you have to put holes on it. It is very important that you have to put holes on it. And it's because I have water here, then I can also water here. Anyway, I put the plastic on my table or else you will be destroying. I'm making this video actually in my living room because my kitchen now is a mess and I have to make the videos before my boys will come home from school. It's a Monday and I don't work on Mondays. So now I have the lemongrass on a Tetra Pak and I will let it grow there and I will be transferring them like around when it will be summer. And this one will be growing leaves here. And maybe I can have free lemongrass for like the whole summer and the whole, how to say it, fall or maybe until the winter. I don't know. I will try actually to propagate this and have it grow, and after the summer and the weather will get cold, I will try to have it inside my house. So we'll see if they will really just survive, even it's a lot of, it doesn't have, during winter time, there is no sunlight at all in Sweden. And it means that you have to use, artificial light. And if we have some sunlight, it's just very short daytime. And that is why it's so hard here in Sweden to really have tropical plants or tropical trees because of the weather condition. And well, for me, it's kind of a challenge. I just want to try everything. I just want to try to plant tropical plants so I can have them inside. And maybe by this winter, I have to use an artificial light for plants. So it looks like that. And then one thing I will tell you, never water them unless it's kind of dry. You have to touch them. I always say that, touch it. And if you feel that it's wet, don't water it, because the tendency is the roots can be rotten. This is not that very thirsty plant. And as what you see and as what I have observed and experienced in my country, lemongrass can just survive even if they dried out there in your, outside your garden, and they survive. So I think they really doesn't like that they are just staying very wet. So I hope I will give you an update of this plant later on, how it looks like, and when the time I will be replanting them in a bigger pot, because I will be doing it. I will be replanting them in a bigger pot. I hope it's a kind of help to you guys, this video content that I shared to you today, and especially for those people who came from Asian countries or people who love Asian food that uses fresh lemongrass. This is a very good tips for you, and I hope that you can really get use of this video content. Again, this is Evelyn of Levabuhay. Thank you for watching and see you again next time.